Abuja. Oh my god, what a surprise.
Yep, paradise.
Like, seriously. Feels like a dream. Someone wake me up.
So we're out having a little adventure today.
Yeah, on the way to the airport to go get her luggage that we did yesterday. So
got one luggage got left behind.
So hopefully it's intact.
It'll be there. It has all my clothes.
Yeah, so,
has everything that I need.
Yeah.
It's okay. I wasn't really too upset because I was like, I made it here, so that's all I cared about.
I don't care about her luggage right now. If she's here, we can keep the luggage.
Yeah, we can just go.
She's the only luggage I need right now, so I'm happy.
So yeah. So check out our view.
In the streets of Abuja. This is your first walk in the city.
I know.
Right?
I like this sidewalk.
Nice.
Yep, off to the airport. I don't know what expressway this is.
Just the YaWa-Da expressway.
Okay. Where's the Zuma Rock now? Which side?
It's the other way.
Oh, it's behind us. Okay. So this is the view.
The mountains in the background.
It's a bad man thing. See, see, Omoja relate to. Omoja wale ho. Say we get to Beadu. So no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more.
Another angle of the stadium. What?
Everybody plays it.
Oh, okay. All sports. Is there a schedule of sports that are playing? So we're just exploring at the mall. The Jabi Lake Mall.
Yeah,
Jabi
correct.
Lake Mall,
In Abuja.
Yeah, in Abuja. So yeah, so look at this table. I think it's fancy.
This mat really looks ugly. Why did they put that kind of mat?
It's just for display. I don't think it's real because it's paper.
But the display's not good.
Yeah, but they had mats up there that were really nice. Yeah. So these tables. I like this.
Roll the camera through.
Chaise. This chaise kind of chair, but it said sold out.
That's really nice. Man.
Yeah.
Like in the balcony or something?
Like a love seat kind of thing, yeah. Like this. This is like a baby. Oh, it's a bed. It's a 2-in-1 bed.
Oh, it's nice.
For the guest room. But this is good for like a kid's room.
Yeah, the kids' room, like
and
the
then,
playground.
yeah, but then if a guest over, you can turn into like an extra bedroom.
Like the kids' indoor playground.
Yeah.
Like the basement.
It's like a 2-in-1 sofa bed. That's how much it costs. So yeah. This white one is nice, but it's gonna get dirty easily. This white one here.
They're gonna be just for adults.
Yeah. Like in the formal room.
Section.
But I like this chair though. How much is this?
89,000. That's like 200, 300.
So we're doing house shopping. I like this chair though. You said $200, $300?
About, yeah, $300.
9,000 naira.
Yeah, it's gonna be about $300.
It's like an accent chair. That's comparable to the US, like for an accent chair.
Yeah.
And then these couches. I actually like this black one. So the name of this store was
Game.
Game. It's like Walmart Big Lots kind of thing. These are hard.
I know. I think
like playroom couches.
Yeah, probably.
They can jump on them.
Check the other one. Yeah. How does that feel?
It's softer.
Feels better?
Sturdy, yeah.
Nice. It fits you, babe.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then TV stands, coffee tables.
Yeah, the coffee tables. Like, I'm
You
thinking.
need like the the ottomans like this, but like the
Yeah,
big
yeah,
one,
yeah.
like, that's...
Could store stuff in it, right?
And the TV stand.
I don't like that color though.
It's not the style.
At least this color is better, but probably not this style. But the color is better, yeah.
I have a bug on my mouth.
Jabi more.
How is your beard hair in my mouth?
No beard hair, babe. That's a blessing.
Did I get on the video?
That's a blessing. We're gonna put this up on the. You know when we're gonna put it up, right?
I'm gonna put it on my wall. So we're at the Jabi Lake Mall, and we came out to the outside part where there's a lake. They have a play place and a lake and a restaurant outside. Alright, so here's the lake. Yeah, that's better. So yeah, so we've been going around showing, what was that? Oh no, I vlogged in there, the game. And there's a movie theater in here, and there's like makeup. It's like a Sephora and perfume store, so I like it here. It's a beautiful day. That looks like a storm cloud.
Yeah, but no storm yet, thank God.
Yeah, look at that storm cloud. Yeah. But it smells like it's gonna rain today, so. Anyways, let's go back inside.
Ghana boy say he want marry me, oh. I hope say Sabi kuku watch it. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit, oh. Baby boy, they say he think my body is a killer, oh. I hope say Sabi kuku watch it. Hope his love goes sweet past the shit, oh. Oh yeah, man, forget Ethiopia. Miss it, forget Ethiopia. Oh yeah, man, what be the matter? Miss it, what be the matter? Oh yeah, man, forget Ethiopia. Miss it, forget Ethiopia. Oh yeah, what be the matter? What be the matter? Don't think say the world that revolve around your bum bum. Don't think say the world that revolve around your bum bum. Don't think say the world that...
Lucy Market is about getting into Lucy Market. Not just like Abuja's busiest market. You could get everything here except cars. Yeah, this is the entrance.
I'm gonna put my camera down when I pass them.
Yeah, correct. I have to look for somewhere to.
So we're trying to find parking. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, that's scary.
Yeah, you wouldn't know. You just like.
Yeah, just put your head in there.
Put your head in there and then you're out.
Yeah.
In your car. Keep going till I find one.
Julie Juice. So that's where we're at now. We got a tropical wonder smoothie with pineapple, apple, watermelon, and ginger. So we're at the Iris Hotel, and they have us in a beautiful, beautiful room. This Iris Hotel is actually just newly built in Abuja, so if you guys are coming to Abuja, you guys have to stay here. And I'll show you guys downstairs when we go out tonight. But this is our front door. The room does not come with a handsome husband like this. Alright, so this is the front room, the living room, and it has a TV. And then this is the bedroom. Yeah. You take it? Okay. This is the bedroom. Do you remember what the size suite this is?
I don't even know the size, but it's the biggest room out here. It's executive.
So we have a nice view over here in the back. And then we have a closet. Full-size mirror. And then the closet.
The Rob?
Yep. And then a functional desk here. And then we got a little mini bar down here. We stocked it with our little drinks. And then the bathroom. You guys can see the bathroom. The beautiful bathroom. Come and see this wall. Let me show them this wall.
So
it's like beautiful. It's still recording. It's beautiful design, everything. Really nice counters. Got a toilet and then this cute shower. How do you open it? Okay. It's really nice, really fancy. So yeah, that's me. So yeah, because if you guys are staying here in Abuja, like this hotel is it. This hotel is it. Beautiful painting. So the artwork, like attention to detail of like design and everything, it's really good. Look at that. These headboards are really nice. It's really good. So yeah. And then we have a TV here if you guys didn't see it. So yeah, so that is our little presidential suite here that we have at the Iris.
Iris.
Where is this?
Oh no, that looks like a Malaysia.
Malaysia?
Yeah, Malaysia, Indonesia.
Okay. And that's it. That was our little cribs tour. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure you guys stay at the Iris Hotel. So it's raining right now and you can hear the rain. Rainstorm. Make sure you guys outside. But that noise is rain. Hopefully the vlog can pick up the noise. It's crazy. We're about to step out, but we're gonna wait until the rain stops. So yeah. Wait until the rain stops. Oh! Power went out. Storm. So yeah, we're definitely gonna wait. This is the front of our hotel here. The Iris Hotel, and the grounds are like really pretty. But yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, girl, you know I'm feeling you. Love everything that you do, these feelings for you, you know that it's true, yeah. I ain't tryna lie, girl, you know that I want you. The way you mash up my mind, we go bumper to bumper. Can I have your number, girl? At first you curve me, you really scare me. I never thought that I'd get your heart, but now I know we're falling apart. Baby, hurt me, why you do me dirty? I never thought that I'd get your heart, and yeah, I know we're falling apart, baby.
She do me hello, goodbye, I'll call you later. She do me hello, goodbye, I'll call you later.
Yeah, I'll call you later.
But you know that she won't call me later.
I know that she won't call me later.
But you know
time with the family. Wifey.
How are you?
Well, good.
Completion.
KFC life. Unhealthy food. I'm not eating none of that. I'm too healthy for that shit.
You know you want.
Ah, babe. Chima. Easy on that chicken. I ain't started yet.
Alright, who's next? Who's next? So we're bowling right now. Chima, say hi.
Hi.
Vivian, say hi. Really?
She did good.
What? Chima, you got a strike? You got 3 strikes. You got 3 strikes. 3 strikes.
We're still winning.
Sky in the limit, no, no. Kamo Ghetto. Young legend of the revolution. Passion in my veins is my solution. No, keep it real, no illusion. I put in the work, no confusion. Full of hard knocks, I never skip classes. But my love for ambition was always more practice. Now I'm in the lab, mixing up like sulfuric acid. Every level, another devil, so I gotta stay rapid. All I know is work hard, pray to God. Flashback back then in the ghetto, it was hard. An hour and a dream, that was all that we had. This for all the kids in the hood, I had a dream. Cause Fofie diamonds on my youth, Saint Laurent. I'm a so just see me Jamal
So we're
front.
leaving the hotel and it's sad to say goodbye. But yeah, this is the Iris Hotel. It's so stylish and beautiful. So if you're coming to Abuja, like, you need to stay here. There's no better place than here. So yeah. Babe, are you sad to say goodbye?
Not to the hotel.
Yeah, so we're saying goodbye. On to the next adventure. Are we gonna go to the mall today though?
We have to go to the mall.
Yay! Okay, let's go.
Lunchtime. I call it brunch.
Brunch, yeah. I was trying to swallow to say brunch.
Brunch, first meal of the day.
Food is awesome. It's called Ivory room.
What are you eating? Because I don't really remember.
Oh, this is the barbecue chicken and mozzarella bruschetta.
And what's this?
And then the potato with curry potato with aioli sauce.
And Singapore noodles with shrimp, beef, and chicken. Everything tastes good.
Picking out. So we just came out the movies and we saw War, the Planet of the Apes, and it was really good. You like the movie?
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah.
I love it. I recommend it.
Yeah, it was really good.
Go watch it if you haven't.
I didn't think that. I mean, I knew I'd watch it, but I didn't think I would go to the theater and watch it. But it was good. Yeah.
You went to watch it?
Yeah, it was good.
And it was worth your time, right?
And we just had some corn, and I actually finished it. I didn't think I would like it. Not that I wouldn't like it, but I didn't think it would be tasty for me to finish it, but it was good. Yeah. I had a fun day. Yeah, I went to the mall, Silverbird Theaters, Cinemas, right? Silverbird Cinemas.
Yeah,
They had a little shopping place there too. Now we're heading home.
That's Jabi Lake.
Jabi Lake.
The things that makes us slaves is the thing that I wish for my brothers. Lifestyle full of whips and chains, same shit that they used to degrade us. Money started up in 92. I'm myself from me pay, I'm making my shot shit true. Glory let, remember them days I'm back in Glory let. Fire Gbe, Ogbeni money come out like Glory let. Fire Gbe, sure wanna. Living on my mistakes back in the past like Fire Gbe, sure wanna. Living in the moment, full in this love life.
But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other. Yeah, I'ma dance my heart out till the dawn. But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other.
Some people them I hate tell me. Now some of them want to stress on me. Now some of them want to flex on me. Cause they see the life I am living. Everywhere I see your dreams coming to for the show. Every with the club and be my very emotion. I'm not thinking, daydreaming, smooth sailing. That be my vibe of summer. I'm on the home, you know me sweet. I'm on the energy, they want it to me.
So this gray set is cute. This price is just a table? Just a table. Oh, here's the... This is the set. That's how much the set is. It looks so nice. This is my favorite set. Yeah. Oh, actually, I like this black one. The black one is nice. Okay. Oh, they have more at the other side though. Ooh, I like it.
Johnny D, come on.
Yeah. This mauve set is nice. I like this one. I can sit in this chair for days. Yeah. Let's go to that side. Oh, you know, these entertainment sets are actually better. Like these. Like,
Yeah, this setup like this.
yeah, I like that. Yeah, this place is nice. I like the. Ooh, I like that section. Oh,
You can
see
actually
that?
just have both of them.
Yeah. Wait, these are the ones that don't these come up?
You should.
Somehow?
Yeah. There you
Yeah. This one doesn't.
Yeah,
This is like the best movie couch. To have like a pizza night, movie night. This is 3.1. What? There's what rings?
Which one? It's not marble, mommy. It's wood. It's wood. Yeah. It's so nice. Look at the bar. Sit out. Babe, that dress looks good. You look like you're gonna. Looks like your cape. Babe, let me see the front, babe. Oh, it fits you good actually. Oh, I like the leg, the glitters at the bottom.
I didn't finish zipping it up. Okay, you want it to flow?
Oh no, I was trying to.
Yeah, she saw it. Mommy, do you see your daughter?
Can she see?
Yeah, she can see it.
What are you doing?
What?
Let me try. What?
Okay, babe.
Hold my bag.
Just try to pull yourself up. You gotta jump first of all to get that.
Oh no.
Pull yourself up. Just pull up. Babe, you can.
Oh my gosh, I haven't done that in a long time.
Just pull yourself up. Just one pull. One pull, babe. Come on.
I can't.
One pull. One.
I can't. That's the thing.
One. Go.
I can't. It's so high. Sorry, I can't.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. Go.
I can't pull myself up. That's the thing.
Sorry. Jump first. Why don't you get it by yourself? Right. Go. Pull, babe.
I'm pulling.
Go.
What?
Pull. Pull, baby. Let me pull you.
I can't let go. Okay, let go of me.
Let me pull you, babe.
I was pulling.
No.
Dance my heart out till the dawn, but I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it like no other.
Hey guys. So I'm actually about to start running that video. I was watching. I was like, let me get my vlog camera. I'm supposed to be vlogging.
The whole house and how.
I was just watching Raven Elise. So, yeah, trying to get back in the swing of things. I had a good little vacation, good little YouTube break and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do a video on my hair. I'm gonna finish this vlog so I can post my Nigeria vlog because this will be in it. And then, yeah, then get back into business, baby. So yeah. So I'm about to, I just finished like my face, so I need to just do my lips. And then I wanted to tell you guys about this product. So, okay, it's called LipSense. So I've heard of LipSense before on Facebook, and I was kind of interested in it because it's supposed to be like a nice, like, I think you can do matte, but you can also do like a nice light gloss look with the lips, but they have like a bunch of colors, and then it stays on your lips like for hours. So I've seen someone use it on Facebook, so I said, you know what, I want to try it. So there's this one girl, my friend from work, she one of her family members sells it, so I said I would like to try it. So let's see, I got the color Praline Rose, so it's like a mauve-y dusty rose. It's like my favorite lip color to wear because I feel like it's a nice everyday neutral color. a little bit of color in there, but not too much, but like more neutrally. So I got the Praline Rose. So you put it on, let me see, so there's direction. So you apply in one direction, beginning with the outside corner of your mouth, and you do three layers, letting each layer dry for 3 to 5 seconds. And then you finish with the gloss. Let's see, so I use this in Nigeria too, some of the days and stuff, just to try it out to see how long it lasts. And it lasts. Like, I put on in the morning, ate food, greasy food, fried plantain, fried potato, fried yam, stew, like everything, and it stays on all day. So if you guys are interested, because if you like, I don't like wearing lip color. I don't wear lip colors, like bright lip colors, all the time, if you've noticed from like my makeup looks and my videos, because I feel like lip colors don't like to stay on me. It's just, I always have problems with like my lips and like it being dry, and it always peels, and then lip colors don't like to stay on my lips. So I don't do color too much, because it's like I wear color, and then if I go out and if I eat, it's definitely not going to stay on my mouth. So, but these actually really do. So I'll show you guys how I put it on and stuff, but I'll link it. I don't know, because like they have distributors all around and stuff. Like, I don't think they have like a real website. It's LipSense by Sense Cosmetics, long lasting lip color. So the girl that gave me this, she has her Facebook page where you can like buy it from. So I'll link her Facebook page, so you can like, she can like email you like all the colors in the order form, and like the whole catalog of colors, so you can see if you want to order. But you can either do that, or just comment below and leave your email address, and I'll just have her just email you information, and you can go from there. So if you're interested, leave your email below or check out her Facebook page. I'll do both, but if you leave your email, she'll get to you like really fast and stuff like that, and so you can see all that she has. But anyways, I want to show you guys how I put it on. I love this color. I feel like I don't have like my tripod. I don't know where my tripod is. It's like getting back in the swing of things is just I have my makeup still packed up from when I went to Nigeria. It's still ridiculous. Like, when I go on vacation and I go for a long time and I like check out of like life, when I come back, I have to like take my time to get back into things. I'm gonna use chestnut to line my lips. Whirl. Whirl's like my fave lip liner. I do Whirl in the middle. All right, so this is the Praline Rose. So as I said, you gotta put it on one direction and then do 3 layers. Like, when I say this stuff is like the juice, it's the juice, like for real. And let it dry for 3 to 5 seconds. It kind of like, I'm not tasting it, but like when I breathe in, the scent gets on my tongue. And it reminds me of like eating some kind of like passion fruit or something. Like tropical fruit. Okay, next layer. All right, so I'm just gonna do 2 layers. I don't want it to be too bright. I'm gonna let it dry. It's dry, and it dries like really light. Like, you can't even feel it. It's not sticky at all. Okay, so you put the gloss on. The gloss like seals it in. I love it so much. And then it stays like this all day. It's like locked in. You can eat whatever you want. So yeah, so I'm gonna, oh yeah, spray my face. Let me record some videos and I'll show you. After I'm done, then I'll do a haul for you guys, okay? About all the stuff I got from Nigeria. So I'll be back. Whatever. All right, so I put my vlog camera on my tripod, like my filming tripod for like my other videos. but I've never done that before. Let me get all my stuff that I want to show you guys for my wall. All right, so the first thing I got was this jacket, this Ankara fabric jacket. I got all this dust everywhere on it from my suitcase, and it's wrinkly from traveling. But it is like a bomber jacket kind of style. I'll show you guys. Like this, like a bomber jacket. So yeah, so I would love to like wear this with like really nice legging, like black leggings, like the thick kind of like Zara leggings, and then nice boots, like stiletto boots, and then like a nice black bodysuit inside for like fall, winter. So can't wait to wear this. And then so I got that. So this store, I think I have like their paper. Where'd it go? I don't remember the mall. I'll ask Chris like the name of the mall that we were at. I forget. I don't think it's Silverbird Mall. It could be, but I'll put the name of the mall here. But there's this this designer. It's called, oh wait, it's Jabi Lake Mall. Is that it? Is it Jabi Lake? It's not Jabi Lake Mall. Whatever. Oh, no, it's not. It's not Jabi Lake Mall. That's not what these ones are. I got her paper though. I'm so confused, but I could have sworn I asked her for this paper and she gave it. Maybe it's the same. Because the Jabi Lake Mall, there was a, like in my vlog, I showed it. It's called Lucci's Creation. But I swear I got this from another mall. I'll ask Chris. But it could be the same designer that just has a shop at Jabi Lake Mall and another shop at another mall. But that's Ankara jacket. And then this one was from the same mall, but another designer that was upstairs. And this is like, oh, this is so cute. Where's the beginning? So this is like a caftan style. That's what it is, caftan style. So it has like wings, you know, at the side, but like it's a fitted dress like this. And look at this beautiful beading and everything. Oh, this is so beautiful. But yeah, but your arms like this, and it's like whew, like that. It's so cute. Make sure this is recording. So that's that. So it's a beautiful dress. Definitely just like caftan. And then this is from the Lucci's Creation. And this is like a, it's not a crop top because it's not short. Actually, it kind of is a little short. Like a crop top kind of thing. Summer shirt. Your arms come out like this, and then it's like that. So it has little straps here. So this is so cute. I don't remember the prices of these at all. I don't remember the prices. So, and then this one is from Annie. This is Chris's friend Annie. She has her own, she's a designer in Abuja, and she has her own shop, and then she made me this dress. So it's like a, I don't know if it's a shift dress, but, and it has different Ankara patterns like on the front, and then it's like black in the back. It's kind of like a shirt dress, because like the way it's cut at the bottom is like shirt dress style. So that's that. And then I got this. This is from Baecation. They have a shop in Abuja. So this is a beautiful yellow like summer dress. I know they have an Instagram. Annie has an Instagram, and these people have an Instagram, Baecation. So I will put their Instagram on the screen and down below so you can check out their dresses and stuff. They have such cute designs. It's so cute. And they have like two-piece sets, like pants and crop tops and stuff. It's so cute. So I'm going to show you guys the food that I got. Not necessarily like food, but some seasonings that I really like and I use them all the time. And I got it in bulk. And then, so one is egusi. Ooh. So I got a big, Chris's mom got me a big, it was bigger than this, like a big bag, but I couldn't take so much. So Chris put it in like a plastic bag for me so that I can just get as much as I can to fit in my suitcase. So this is a big bag of egusi. So that's that. The stuff I got is like basic seasonings for cooking that I use all the time. And it's cheaper to buy it in like a bigger container, but it's hard to find bigger containers that are not too expensive here. So, and the African, I don't have an African store here in Dayton. Like the one that is here in downtown Dayton is, you can't even call it an African store. That's like a disgrace to African stores. So I got Maggi cubes. Yeah, Maggi cubes, and then I got the Knorr cubes. So we go through these like candy for cooking, because you just put in everything, like when you make stews, soups, like even eggs in the morning, like anything, just put Maggi and your food is good to go. And then I got a big thing of curry. So I got one for mommy and one for me. So this is curry powder, a big can of it. And then this one, so one for me, one for mommy. And then thyme. This is what I put in my stews, my like rice and stew. So one for me, one for mommy. And then the beauty of them all, onga. Like there's onga here. The only time I've had onga was from Inky, because her mother-in-law, I think it was her mother-in-law, or maybe she got it herself at her own African store, but she gave me like a big pack of it like last year or 2 years ago. So it was all gone. And I remember I vlogged about it before, how it's all gone, and I tried to look for it online. It's definitely not here in Dayton at all. So I looked online, and there was only one vendor that I saw that had online, but I've never ordered from them before. I never heard from them before. So I'm like, I don't know if like I should order from them or whatever. And it wasn't even like a lot. So I didn't have it for a long time. When you put it in your stew, like, oh, it just make it like your stew is good, and then it just takes it to the top. It's so good. So when I got to Nigeria, I was like, yo, I need to get onga. So I told Chris's mom, like, I need onga spice. So she was like, okay, I'll find it for you. So she found it for me. And when she brought it, it was a box. This big box of, you guys, I don't even know how long this is gonna last me, but it's gonna be good. So we have a big supply of it. So packs and packs, and it's like one pack. I think I can use it for like 2 or 3 stews. I don't use the whole pack for a stew. So like 2 or 3 stews can do one pack. So imagine how many stews, like, so it's one big box. I think it was 60 of these are in here. Yeah, so you can even smell it through the packaging. It smells so good. But it just makes your stew like impeccable. Like when I put this in stew, when I make it for Chris, like when I don't use it, he likes it. But when I put this in, he's like, like he has that little extra like, this stew is really, really good. So he can tell like when I put it in and stuff like that. So yeah, so that's that. So that's like the food stuff. I didn't want to bring back too much food. I forgot to get what was it, crayfish. What else did I wanted to get? I forgot. Oh yeah, suya spice. I forgot those 2 things, but it's okay. These are good enough. I can always just tell Chris if I find a way to get it to me and stuff like that. So that's that. So yeah, I didn't want to bring too much of like food because they go through your stuff at customs. So yeah, so trying to get back in the groove of things, starting to record videos again. I actually have continuing education. Anyone in like the health field knows like you have continuing education. So I have to report hours this week. So if you're in pharmacy, or well, I'll just say for pharmacists, we report hours every 3 years. So every 3 years you have to report your reading hours, and that's like articles and journals that you've read, and you get hours logged into the NABP system, the Board of Pharmacy system, to track your hours. So throughout your whole career, you have to be reading and keeping up with all the new developments and stuff like that, and you know, new ways of treating diseases and all that stuff like that. So this year is my year to report. This is my first year reporting since I finished school 5 years ago. So I am reporting my hours. So I have 45 hours and I need 55. So I have 10 more hours to do. So I have these articles that I'm reading, and they're three contact hours each. So by the time I'm finished with these 4, I'll have 12, and that'll be more than enough to turn in when I update my license in September. So I did this one. This one I did last night. Inflammation causes, prevention, and control. So you get 3 hours, and then there's a test in the back, and you do the test and you send it in. And then this is the one I did 2 nights ago. Anti-anxiety drugs, and did the test for that. It's another 3 hours. So I have 6 more hours to do. They actually take me like an hour and 45 minutes to do, so it's not bad at all. So I get off work and just read one. So tonight I think I'm gonna do insomnia, and then the next night I'll do stop losing sleep. Today I have to pay some bills, so yeah. Anyways, I think that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna make sure I said everything. Okay, so let me just a little bit of background from the vlog, because it was so choppy. I hope, like, me editing, it was really choppy because we did so much in Abuja. It was ridiculous. Like, every day was an all-day adventure. So we did so much. I hope I could film as much as I can capture. I hope I captured as much for you guys to feel like that you were there. The one thing about Nigeria is that when you pull out a camera, security doesn't like it, like, no matter where you're at, like, especially like in buildings and stuff like that. So I vlogged mostly with my iPhone, so the camera quality isn't going to be the same as my regular vlogs. Just bear that in mind when you watch the vlog. It doesn't look as crispy as regular because I had to use my iPhone, because when you pull out the camera, they're like, no cameras please, just use your phone. So I said okay. So but that was fine. At least I got to vlog whatever I could. So yeah, so I had so much fun. Like, that trip to Abuja was so with Inky having the baby this summer, I wanted to make sure that I was here for when Jidena was born before I left, because I didn't want to miss it. So yeah, so this trip that I planned, I booked it on Kayak. So I actually, like, during June time, I started watching flights for the best price and stuff. So I just tracked the flights from New York or DC to Abuja, and then I did price alert. So anytime the price would change, go up or go down, it would alert me. So I noticed that in May, flights to Nigeria are really cheap. In June, they shot up. And then in July, they went back down. So that's when I was trying to, when I figured out that was the perfect time to go. So in July, the prices were so cheap. I was like, I gotta get on it. So I went on Kayak, and when it alerted me, oh, the prices are this much right now. So I said, good. So the top airlines that had good prices at the time was Turkish Airlines, AirFrance, and British Airways. Turkish Airlines, Air France Delta, because they're the same, and then British Airways. So I said, let me do Air France. I had a really good price. I had to go. They had a lot of flights that were going from like New York, DC to Abuja. So I had to sift through them and figure out like my options based on like layovers and stuff. It was technically a multi-destinational trip and not a round trip because I didn't come back to the same place I went. So it was cheaper that way. So I booked my flight from DC to Abuja and then Abuja to New York. So it went from DC to New York when I was going, DC to New York, and then New York to France, France to Abuja. Coming back, it just went from Abuja to France, France to New York. So it was cheaper that way. And then I booked a separate flight from Ohio. So one way from Ohio to DC and then another one way from New York to Ohio. So it was cheaper that, even though it was broken up in so many flights, like separate flights like that, it was cheaper than doing round trip Ohio to Abuja and back. So much cheaper. So sometimes when you are trying to plan a trip, be very flexible with your airports and like do little combinations of, you know, flying from here and then coming back through here and then a separate flight from round trip from your home to wherever, if you get understand what I'm saying. So just play around with it a lot, give good combination. Landed in Abuja and started my Naija adventure. So it was perfect. It was like the best trip ever. Ugh. It was my best Nigerian experience. Besides my wedding, Eddie Key's wedding, it was the best Nigeria experience ever. You know, I did the most exploring because, like, I don't know, it's just like, now that I'm married and Chris knows Abuja well, like, I get to explore Nigeria in a different way now. So the way I explored it, it was just awesome. Like, I loved Abuja. It was so nice. So it was fun. We did like, you saw the vlog. We did so much stuff every day. So I hope you guys loved the vlog, and I hope to be back in Nigeria. Everyone was messaging me that live, like, I didn't know that I had that many people in Nigeria that watch my videos. It's crazy. I met some people when I was there in Nigeria that watched my videos. So shout out to all of you guys that saw me. Hi. Nice meeting you. But I didn't know I had that many people that watched my videos in Nigeria. So when I got there, when I was posting pictures on Instagram, people were like, are you doing a meet and greet? Are you doing a meet and greet? Are you doing a meet and greet? I'm like, I never thought about doing a meet and greet in Nigeria. Like, I never thought about it. So next time I go to Nigeria, in Abuja, I have a lot of people in Lagos too. So maybe I'll try to do one in Lagos too. But next time I go to Nigeria, I'm in Abuja, I will try to organize a meet and greet. If you live in Abuja, live in Nigeria, and you watch my videos, want me to do a meet and greet, please, like, give me ideas or suggestions on, like, how to organize it, like, and where to have it, you know, the best way to, like, go about it so that, you know, people will come and it'll be fun and stuff like that. So if you do live in Nigeria, please, like, comment down below, like, suggestions, like, for how to organize a meet and greet. So I never really had, like, a real formal meet and greet, so I don't know. Those kind of things make me kind of, like, nervous. Cause, like, if you have a meet and greet, like, and you invite people, like, will people come? You know what I mean? If at least one person comes, I'll be happy. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Will people come? I have Clear, actually. I started using Clear this year, and it's so much faster and easier at the airport. I have TSA pre-check, and then I got Clear. So not all airports have Clear. So so if it doesn't have Clear, I use TSA pre-check. If it does have Clear, I just go through Clear. So I'll link Clear down below, because you have to have it. Like, you have to have it. It's so good. So if I can find a link, but yeah, so I'll link Clear down below. And then there's another app I have with for your passport. I forget the name of it, but I'll link it down below. It's like your electronic passport. So it's so amazing. I can't even talk. When I got into New York, I used the app. I forget, it's something passport, electronic e-passport or something like that. But it's your passport on an app. And and like, when you get to customs, there's like US citizens, people like green card holders, diplomats, military, global, what is it? Global travel people, like the people that, it's like TSA pre-check, but globally. And then there's people that have the app, and they don't advertise that app that much. So if you don't know about it, you don't know about it. But if you have it, then you know. So it's like they have a line for the people with the app. So, and there's nobody in that line because, like, nobody knows about it, but everybody else is in the US citizens, like, line. So if you have the app, you go in this special line. And when I got in there was no wait. But the people that had their passport, like, in real, like, that line was probably like 2 hours. And I went through some customs in 30 seconds. It was ridiculous. So I'll put the link to that app. I don't even know how I knew about it, but I've had it for years. But that was my first time getting to use it at an airport. So customs literally 30 seconds. And then you have the app, you pull it up, they scan the barcode that your app gives you when you come in. Because you have to put in like, oh, I'm coming from here, my flight was this is my port I'm coming into, and stuff like that. And when you get there, they scan the thing and then you're out. That's it. Like, it's so fast. So, yeah, so my journey to Nigeria was so fun. Like, I didn't want to come back, but I hope to be back very soon. So, I would love to like have my own like businesses in Nigeria, in Abuja. So I'm actually working on that. So I would love to be able to have like my online store be available in store, like have a real store of it in Nigeria and stuff like that. So I'm planning on that, working on that. And yeah, so that's dreams, goals, aspirations and stuff. So anyways, I'm done rambling this time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Don't think say the